What's up, everybody? We're here in Dubai in the United Arab Emirates, and we're gonna go check out an indoor rainforest called the Green Planet. Let's go. You start off here at the first floor, and this floor is the river section of the rainforest. Here you find fish species like piranhas or archerfish, species that live in rivers and streams that pass through the rainforests. Let's start off by showing you some of my favorites. First, the sailfin dragon. This is one of the few species of reptiles that they have here that are allowed to roam free, but some of the staff did inform me that he very rarely leaves his little pond area. These are weaver ants. This species lives in trees and builds really cool nests like the one you're currently seeing by weaving together leaves using larval silk. Up next we have ring-tailed lemurs, who also had the freedom to roam the entire exhibit, and honestly it was just really cool watching them hang around between everyone. Here they are sitting on top of the bat cave, and speaking of, let's check out the bat cave. Now let's check out some really cool birds. The sloths are also free roaming, and this is how they move them around. These cottontail tamarins were one of the species that weren't free roaming, but their enclosure spanned the entire 4 floors, so they had plenty of space to jump and swing around. So as you guys can see so far, it's an indoor rainforest inside a building in the middle of the city. It's absolutely incredible. There's free roaming animals everywhere. Sloths, ring-tailed lemurs, there's birds, there's reptiles. We haven't checked out the reptiles yet though, so let's go check them out. So here's another look at that giant paludarium, and I just noticed Krusty sitting on the misting nozzle, just like at home. Right on top of the vivarium. We got this guy. What's up, buddy? So this rainforest is about 4 floors. And every floor you go, there's different selection of animals. Some of them are in enclosures and some of them are free to roam around. The reptiles, obviously, most of them are enclosed, other than the sailfin dragon, I believe, but still so cool to see regardless. We're now down on the 2nd floor. Look at all that mist coming out from behind me. It's getting pretty humid. I'm starting to sweat, but I absolutely love it in here, guys. I wish more zoos or more places would take the inspiration to start doing things like this. Let's go finish it up. So I have a hissing roach in my hand right now. Not hissing, unfortunately, but beautiful.
Oh, so you about to eat?
Started munching bananas.
see if we can get him eating on camera. No? A bit shy. So please do not touch the rabbit, but I don't see any rabbits. I do see signs of carrots though. Don't worry, Diane, he's not as beautiful as Sapsi or Basil, but still beautiful nonetheless.
And finally, we have the last exhibit, Creatures of the Night. Let's go check it out.
Yet, but there is a tokay gecko. Okay guys, I officially finished touring the Green Planet. 10 out of 10 would recommend if you're an animal lover in the United Arab Emirates. If you're an animal lover visiting the United Arab Emirates, make sure to make this one of your stops. Obviously there were some things that I didn't love as a reptile keeper, like the co-hopping of a lychee and a crested gecko and day gecko all in one setup. It was big, but I mean, you guys already know. Other than that, the place was absolutely incredible, definitely worth checking out. If I was to come back, I would definitely do it again. I felt like a 5-year-old running around with all the loose animals. 10 out of 10 guys, definitely go check out the Green Planet. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which animal from the ones we saw today was your favorite. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.